Assalamualaikum. Today our topic is Roman numerals. Roman numerals. What is the Roman numerals? Roman numerals. Roman numerals is a unique way to represent number. Roman numerals are unique way to represent number. What are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the numbers. This is also a Arabic number. Roman numerals are unique way to represent numbers. These are the numbers. Ancient Romans used the alphabets to represent numbers. They use alphabet. I equal to 1, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10. These are Arabic numbers. These are Roman numerals. Ancient Romans used a unique way to represent number. The unique way is alphabets. These are Roman numerals. These are basic Roman numerals. 1, 5, 10 are the basic Roman numerals. This is the most important in the Roman numerals. There is no zero. There is no zero in Roman numerals. There is no zero in a Roman numerals. There are first 10 basic numerals. These are Arabic numerals. These are first 10 basic numerals. What is the way to write the basic numerals? First 10 numerals. 1 is equal to I. 2 lines, 2I is equal to 2. 3I is equal to 3, but this is the 4. If we write this, no, this is not a 4. It's a wrong. That is the procedure. That is the exactly shape of 4, but this is the wrong shape of 4. Okay? The Romans used 4. how to get 4 like this? 5. We subtract 1 from the left side, it become a 4. 5. First of all, we write the 5, subtract 1 from the left side, it become 4. It's a 5, and then it is a 6. How to get the 6? 5 added from the right side, it become a 6. 5 we add 2I from the right side, it become a 7. 5, 1, 2, 3, it become 5, 6, 7, 8, but 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it's a wrong. 9. We write first of all 10, then we subtract from the left side 1, it become a 9. X is equal to 10. Now we write two rules. Now there is a rule to write the Roman numerals. There are two rules to write the Roman numerals. When 1 is appear, 5 and 10, then it is added, appear right side. Right side. 5, 1 is appear right side, is equal to 6 x. 1 is appear right side, 11 is 7 8. We add 1 from the right side, 6. 6, 1 add 7. 7, 1 add 8. 10, 1 add is equal 11. When 1 appears before 5 and 10, then it is subtracted. When 1 is appear before 5, it become 4. 5 minus 1 is equal 4. In the Roman numerals, 4. 10, we subtract 1 from the left side, appear before 10, 1, it become 9. 10 minus 1 is equal 9. These are Arabic numbers. These are Roman numerals. In a Roman numeral 9, write like this. Okay. Take care. सब्सक्राइब के बटन को प्रेस कर दें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई है तो लाइक कर दें और आगे शेयर करें। थैंक यू। अल्लाह।